I should be over all the butterflies. I'm into you. And baby, even on the worst nights, I'm into you, baby.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. It's making my heart break.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, we're just gonna do a quick install. Let me just tell y'all, this is not the best install. We all have our days, okay? And today is the day that my install just did not come out the way that I really wanted it to. I didn't have the products that I normally use, which kind of threw me off my game a little bit. And then my stocking cap slid to the back, okay? And I was a little too lazy to pull it back, so here we are. From afar, I really am liking how this unit looks. The color, even though, okay, so let's just get into the details. So this is from Beauty Forever Hair Company. They sent me a 99J Jerry Curly Lace Frontal Wig in 22 inches. I've had plenty of 99J color wigs, and they sometimes, these companies, when they dye these units, you're not going to get the same exact color each and every time. Sometimes the 99Js are more on the red side. This time it's more on the hot pink side. So it's just you never know what you're going to get. Never know. So like I said, it's more on the hot pink side, and I actually really like that. I really like that. The hair is very, very soft. It's lightweight. It's fluffy. It's not too frizzy. I can continue finger combing it, and I'm not going to really worry about that. If you are a little anal about that, you can get a curl smoothie, something to define the curls, and you're good. But I would not suggest that you need it. Yeah. Okay, let's get into the install. So y'all know I really love using my Wig Dealer Lace Bonding Gel. This thing is like crack. It's so good. Once you use this, you don't want to use anything else. And it's not working. I don't know what's going on with it. I can't I don't want to cut it because there's a lot in here, and I don't have another container to empty it in. So I was out of luck. So I had to go back and use my Bold Hold Liquid Gold. Now, okay, let me tell you my personal reasons why I don't go to this first. Okay, number one, you have to wait until it gets tacky. This right here, it's you put on your head and it's tacky, okay? Seconds it gets tacky. This, you definitely have to wait. And then when you do that, you lay your lace and you're ready to cut. It's always going to be crusty. I don't know why it's so crusty. I don't know if it's me. It's just crusty, okay? And I don't really have to worry about this one being as crusty. So with those two things that I mentioned, that's why I don't really go to this one first. But today, had to use it, so that threw me off my game. And when you're having a colored wig and your hair is a different color underneath, you want to make sure that you're using a stocking cap, just so that your different color hair is not peeking through the lace, which, like I told y'all in the beginning, I didn't really it. My stocking cap slipped back, y'all, and so you can see my dark colored hair with the red, and it's throwing this install off. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. If not, that's good, but I'm here to tell you, you definitely want to use a stocking wave cap. Do that method so that your hair color is not showing underneath through the lace. So I think that's really all I have to say, you guys. This hair is just it's very pretty, very fluffy. No major cons. It's not shedding horrifically or anything like that. I did my normal prep with this wig with just plucking it a lot. But yeah, the two things that I mentioned, those were the only things that threw me off my game. But other than that, that's about it. So don't forget to comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all out in the next one. Bye.
Better run, faster than my heart kiss with kicks. Better run, I should be over all the butterflies. I'm into you. And baby, even on the worst nights, I'm into you. baby.